A word from the wise, don't try to make life on your own. Remember that Jah just by your side. Let your music live. Remember that Jah just by your side. I was a soul who was lost, and my life was in dismay. For among evil forces in which I played, guns and ammunition were my chosen way of life. With God-fearing people I chose to strive, and all of the lives that I've taken, it can never be replaced. Still, Jah chose to remember my face. Though I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead on my bending knee. Oh, Father, you rescued me, and I got the scars to show. Barely made it along life's road. Oh, when my life got dark, Jah was the light at the end of the road. When I was a young boy, growing up in August town, we ate from the same pot. We were eyeing drinks all around, yeah. From corner to corner and corner, Records to jungle 12 tire, Bryce Hill to Trade Lights and River all around, yeah. And then the football ground became a battlefield, and my life seemed so surreal. People, they were falling all around, but Jah held me to stand my ground. Only Jah could have held me to stand my ground. Though I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. Oh, Father, you rescued me. I got the scars. I barely made it along life's road. Oh, when my life got dark, Jah was the light at the end of the road. I've made mistakes along the way, so I beg for forgiveness each day as I try to pray. But take it from me, son, you can change the world today. And I'm living proof that crime doesn't pay. Though I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. Oh, Father, you rescued me. I got the scars. I barely made it along life's road. Oh, when my life got dark, Jah was the light at the end of the road. Ernie Williams, big up yourself. Love. And as I said before, all blessings and big up to Leroy Sybil. The promoter for the big up yourself. Come on. Blessed love. Big up yourself, Leroy. In tribute, ready.